Has cancer treatment made you realize that you just want a do-over? You just need a fresh start? Well, I got good news. You can make a fresh start, and I'm going to show you in my two-part video series how you can make a fresh start after cancer treatment or even during cancer treatment. Why just heal when you can transform? Let's dive in and take a look. Hey guys, this is Dr. Tanya, and today I am excited about the conversation that we're getting ready to have because we are talking about getting a fresh start after cancer. And the reason why that excites me so much is because cancer gave me my fresh start. Because cancer, I think, is a perfect time to make a fresh start because for a lot of us, it's a major disruption in our lives. And it's the disruption that we need to create the space that we need to realize the changes that we want to make. Now, I knew inherently that I was unhappy and that I wanted to change some things, but I was so busy being busy, I never made the space and took the time to really reflect on what it was that I was unhappy about and what I wanted to change and how to make those changes. But cancer gave me the space to do that. And I am so grateful because I am a completely different person now than I was 8 years ago when I started this process. And mind you, change does not happen overnight. We make the change and then we slowly and we continue to make changes. I'm still changing. I'm still not completely where I want to be, but this process takes time. But I think during this cancer journey is the perfect time to start the change. Don't just heal and transform. It is so possible. Your body is a lot stronger than you realize, and there is so much that you can do during this journey. So today I'm going to give you 5 tips of things that you need to do to get started, to make that fresh start that you can start making right now during your cancer journey. First thing that you need to do, first, you're going to want to really determine where you are. You want to know where you are. It's kind of like when you're driving, when you need directions. In order to get to where you want to go, you got to know where you're starting. And that's so important when you want to make that fresh start and you want to make a change. You got to know where you're starting from. So I say pause and reflect on where you are. And you want to start off with your emotions. Where are you emotionally? Cancer is hard, y'all. It's an emotional journey. So that's definitely the place you want to start. You want to start thinking to yourself, what am I happy about? First of all, we always got to start off with gratitude. What are you happy about? Then reflect on what you're sad about, what you're mad about, what you are anxious about or fearful about. Reflect on those things. Are you lonely? Are you hurt? Think about those things because that's going to show you where you are at on the map so that you know where you need to go. Now, emotions, that's the first part of the process, but there are so many things, other life areas that you can actually work on as well. But I think emotions are the most important, especially as you're going through this cancer journey, because cancer is such an emotionally draining topic and journey to go through. But you also want to take the time and don't rush this. You want to see where you are physically. How's your health in your body? How you are financially? How you are career-wise or professionally? And how are your relationships? You want to evaluate all of those different areas when you're determining where you are as your starting point. So take some time as you have some downtime during this period to make those reflections so you know where your starting point is. Now that you know where you're starting from, the next thing is you got to determine where you're going. Because you always have to begin with the end in mind. So now that you know where you are, where is it that you want to go? What is it that needs to change in your life? And you want to prioritize those in areas of importance. What things do you want to tackle first? Because again, transformation is a process, and it's a process that doesn't happen overnight. Some things you can work on simultaneously, but some areas you're going to have to focus on more specifically than others, but the thing that needs to transform first is the mindset. That's why I know we need to focus on the emotional aspect of all of this first.